Hi, I'm James Ireland, Senior Product Manager with Contec Professional, and I wanted to talk about some products that are very exciting we're launching at this year's ISSA show. To begin with, we have made a new completely molded polypropylene TQ backer plate to replace the previous backer plate, the hygienic backer plate. This is 100% polypropylene, it's recyclable, it has the same low profile micro hook style as on the regular zero gravity frame, and it is designed for use in tight quarters. So getting around in bathrooms, areas where you can even use a shorter handle where you don't have room to reach with a large handle. This is one of the exciting products we're featuring at the show. The next product I want to talk about that we're featuring at the show is the SureFlex mop head. This is designed to conform to concave surfaces, so you can take a pad and apply it using the standard Primera mop 5x19. You can apply it to the SureFlex with the use of the low profile micro hooks on the bottom, same hooks. And what it does is it conforms to a concave surface. In addition, there's no metals in this frame, so it is safe for use in MRIs or other sensitive areas like that, and also cleaning things like hyperbaric chambers. It will conform to that surface, and it enables the operator to stay outside and not have to climb in when they're doing heavy disinfecting and things like that. So this is a great product. Another thing I wanted to talk about is a new disposable string mop that we've developed right here, and we have sourced this. It's a great addition to the product line. It's for dealing maybe with grossing situation in the operating rooms where you have a large amount of fluid and gross contamination that you need to remove first before you can begin cleaning and applying your disinfectants. And this goes along great with another extension, or it's an improvement to the Quick Change product line, where we have added a new claw adapter. We have added these new molded grips. So this is now gives you the ability to have one handle with multiple heads for multiple purposes. They all snap on and off very easily, as so, and they are available in a variety of different tools. So this is the standard Z-clip tool, pops on and off for floors. If you're doing ceilings and walls, you want to use the adjustable one. This pops on and off just as easily the same way. And it has this locking collar that's adjustable. What it does is it eliminates motion entirely in one direction, so you have better control when you're working up high overhead, applying disinfectants and cleaning. This lockable collar is adjustable. You can fully back it off the tension and you'll have all the full range of motion, so it can also be used on floors. In addition, another great improvement to the Quick Change product line is the new HighDuster XF. As you can see, it works the exact same way with the Quick Change handles, easy on and off, as you can see on the pole. And this is a unique design we really are excited about. It has these fins, as you can see. They are designed to conform to irregular surfaces and enable the microfiber to do a better job cleaning, getting in and out of crevices between bars. Also, it can be used just like a standard HighDuster to get over booms and conform to circular surfaces like light booms and other material instruments you'll find in an operating room. So you can curve it, make it any shape you want to conform to the surface. And as you can see, it collapses so it can conform, you get better surface conformity, and it ends up wrapping around some surfaces too, much better than a traditional dusting tool. So this is another one of the exciting products we're launching this year at ISSA, and we're happy to be presenting these products, and we're looking forward to more innovations in the next show. For more information on Contec products, please visit contecprofessional.com. Thank you.